To quickly message your favorite contact from the people panel on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to make sure that the people panel is displayed in the edge panels and your favorite contact is added to this panel. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display, scroll down the screen, tap edge panel, tap panels, and then swipe through the panel to make sure to select people panel. Tap edit below the people panel. Here your phone will give you some suggested contacts. You can select from here, or you can select one from your contact list by tapping select contacts button. As the example, we will add one from the suggested contact list. Close the setting. To use this feature, swipe the edge panel handle toward the center to open up the edge panel. Find the people panel. While you are in the people panel, tap the desired contact and then tap message button to start texting the selected contact right away. As a note, using the people panel lets you access your favorite contact in just a swipe and tap, making it faster and easier to send messages without searching through your contact list or messages app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.